Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect wedge platform sandal that is also comfortable, have I found it for you. This is the PAUVAODY shoe. I am so impressed with this. For a 4-inch heeled shoe, this is super comfortable. I love how the front here is kind of like a velvet kind of material, so it's super soft. And the insole here is all cushiony. So when you walk, it feels so super comfortable to walk on. Now these come in different colors, they come in different styles, obviously different sizes, and they are great for any outfit that you're going to be wearing for the summer. And I love the grip that it has on the bottom, so no matter what kind of floor you're walking on, whether you're indoors or outdoors, you're not going to be slipping. So if you are looking for the perfect platform wedge heel, I suggest these ones. I'm so in love with them, and I know you will be too. That's my point of view.